Hi guys, this is Subhash here. I'm a Goan YouTuber and you guys are most welcome into my YouTube channel. So today is my bike's first service, xpulse 200. I'm going for service now. It almost 680 kilometers has ridden. Until 750 I have to service it. So I'm going to make service of this bike today. I have two news. One is good news and one is bad news. I'll tell you the bad news first. The person who came with me to take a delivery of this bike almost 22 days ago, that person is passed away 3 days ago, and it's very bad for me. And good news is it's my birthday today. It's 2nd December. It's my birthday, so I am not going to celebrate my birthday because of that. That was my best friend, you can say like that. So I'll show you the odometer of this bike first. I'll just turn this on. Yeah, 690. Now the service period is up. One of the best thing about this bike, this machine has its own capability, and the way that machine behaves on the road. I must say that when you have something like your mind is frustrated, or you are under tension or anything else, like you can sit on this and ride. You will release all the pain what you have inside. This bike is one of the best bike I ever had, and I ridden also. This behavior of this bike is very different than other bikes. It's totally different. When you sit on this, when you go to ride or something, you will never feel that you have any, what you call that, a pain or something. You can release all your, like a peace of mind. You will have peace of mind on this bike. So when you are like in a sad mood or something, you just start the bike and go out and ride it. Then you will feel all the pain of the pain has released. It's gone now after you ridden this. This is one of the best bike I ever ridden till now. And what about the mileage and all? It's a good bike, very good bike, around 30 to 35 till now. I got the mileage on this bike, so I am quite happy. Nothing issue has happened till now. Okay, let's go to service center now. I'll show you some what they're doing there. It's all around 8 o'clock in the morning now. I have to go early. The same place where I purchased it from. Okay, let's go. This is the showroom here from where I bought the bike. I guess I am the first here to make service, but they still not open yet. Okay, let's wait and see. Yeah, I'm done with service now. Let's see Raj how much it comes. And look, one more xpulse is here. Yeah friends, I have done with service, and this is the same place where I shooted before. I just try to test the bike how it runs now. So I'll show you the wheels and paper. Now the bill is around 575. They charge it for, and they gave me this chain lube along with that. What they did, just change the oil, tighten the chain and clutch lever, sculator. They have to change the oil first for first service. That's all. Now the next service will be on the 3000 to 5000 maybe kilometers. So friend, that was my video of first service, and I really miss my partner, my friend who passed away, I said earlier, and it's my birthday also today. It's not a good moment for me today. I feel very bad for that. Okay then, see you in the next video guys. Thanks for watching.